the final cleanup, as you guys have requested. The TLB are also on site. The TLB is here. By popular demand, we've got the TLB on site. Doing the offloading. Pick it up, it's on site. This is the TLB from Pick It Up. All on site. They're loading. The trucks are loading, guys. The trucks are loading. The residents of Joburg doing their work. This was the office for the day for the executive mayor. The trucks are now loading.
Hayi ziyabuya eJoburg kuyaklinelwa ama-elections. Asazi ukuthi iyozala nkomoni because my friend bona lama Somalia, Ethiopians and all these other guys owner these shops. Bamtshelile government, they told the government last night ukuthi we are not going anywhere. We are staying in this country. And I don't blame them, as I always say, but I don't blame these people. Why? Because our government allowed them, fighting for them, even if the citizens are complaining about the mess these people are causing in our towns, in our cities. The government came out to defend them, to fight for them, to say they will not tolerate us chasing Africans away from Africa. This is Africa. South Africa belongs to all who lives in it. Right now, these people, they do as they wish. What are they expecting? If you tell people to go or to come to your country, you know those people, they are not coming with any skills. Some of them, they are even telling them to find creative ways to come. What are you expecting? What are you expecting these people to eat when they get here? You know they don't have skills. They are not a scarce skill in the country, and you are encouraging them to find creative ways to come. Then these people will come as human beings. They have to survive. They have to find ways to survive. This is how they are finding ways to survive after finding creative ways. And now you are busy destroying their properties. Why are you destroying their properties? What were you expecting? What do you want them to eat if you are telling them to come? Are you not expecting them to come and take the jobs away from South Africans, to take all these opportunities to destroy the country? That is why you are inviting them to come. That is the reason. Where do you expect these people to stay? Yes, you want them to hijack buildings. You want them to unalive people, to rob people on the streets. So there's no reason for the government to complain now. I wonder what will these other African countries say after seeing this. Are they not going to call xenophobia? Are they not going to cry xenophobia? As they already started blaming the government of South Africa of being xenophobic, that they are the ones orchestrating this xenophobia thing in South Africa. And the question I'm asking myself is, where are these people? Where are all these people going to go to with these businesses? Because we all know they're not going back to Ethiopia, Somalia, Nigeria, Bangladesh, all over Africa. They are not going back to their homes. Where are they going to go to? That's the question. Because other municipalities, they are just there folding their hands. That is where they are going to. Because even us, as the citizens, some of us, we don't care about what is happening in our areas, in our towns. Now,
I told you to start taking your stuff, and you have not done it. I warned you to remove your stuff, and you have not done it. We are demolition now, like I told you. We are not playing games here. We are working. You can't have a town and city looking like this. I told you to take your stuff. You have not done it. We are moving now. We are moving very fast. This thing is rotten here. Look at this. And you are selling it.
No.
What do you mean no? Yeah.
It isn't put in dustbin.
Close the shop.
It's now morning time.
Close the shop here. Close. Close it. Close the shop.
Yeah, this one put it down.
Close the shop. Close it.
Yeah.
Close it. They say everything is rotten and you are selling it. Close it. Close.
Take 20 minutes. They're all clean.
20 minutes, what? And we keep cats here in the shop.
Come on, it's maybe put it. You see,
And
it's
they
very-
give all these things. And people
Africa is already screaming xenophobia. I just watched the channel of a Nigerian guy, the AIE channel, a Nigerian guy in South Africa. He posted these videos and then the title is xenophobia in South Africa. Under these videos, we are not allowed to clean our cities. We are not allowed to take care of our countries. Why? Because Africans must be here, do whatever they want to do in South Africa. No, we cannot allow that to happen. Our government allowed these things to happen for a very long time. That is why it's becoming very difficult now to deal with these people. As I said earlier, as they are pushing them away from here, they are moving to another place. They will stay there, continue with the illegal activities in other areas. After that, they will come back to the same place because the government of South Africa, everything they are doing, it's because of the show off of that particular time. It's election time now. They are doing all these things. After 2 months, these people will be back to that same place. Mark my words.